In 1908, something exploded over Siberia with 1,000 times the power of an atomic bomb. What happened when scientists finally reached the site?
When they arrived, they found over 80 million trees flattened in a butterfly pattern across 830 square miles. But mysteriously, there was no impact crater. Nothing actually hit the ground.
Wait, so this wasn't a meteor strike? What exactly are we talking about?
This is the Tunguska Event. On June 30th, 1908, witnesses described a blue light as bright as the sun streaking across the sky, followed by a flash and a sound like artillery fire. The explosion was so powerful, it was detected as far away as England. People 40 miles away were knocked off their feet and felt intense heat on their skin.
That's incredible. But if nothing hit the ground, what caused such devastation?
The leading theory is that it was an airburst from either a comet or asteroid that exploded roughly 5-10 kilometers above Earth's surface. The object, probably about 190 meters across, likely disintegrated in the atmosphere due to intense pressure and heat. That's why we don't see a crater, but instead this massive radial pattern of flattened trees.
And this happened in 1908. Why did it take scientists so long to investigate?
The remoteness of the location was a huge factor. The explosion occurred in the Tunguska region of Siberia, one of the most isolated places on Earth. The first scientific expedition wasn't mounted until 1927, nearly 2 decades later, led by Leonid Kulik. He had to navigate dense forests, swamps, and the political chaos following the Russian Revolution just to reach the site.
If this happened over a major city today, what would the consequences be?
The devastation would be apocalyptic. An airburst of this magnitude over a metropolitan area would destroy everything within a 30-mile radius. Millions would die instantly. It's a sobering reminder of why we need robust planetary defense systems. Because these cosmic events don't just happen in remote forests. They're inevitable. The question isn't if, but when.